Right now, I'm in the Green Campus of Central University of Kashmir. So, if you wanna enjoy snow, I can suggest you get admission here, be it in UG course or in PG course, so that you can enjoy these 5, whatever your course will be, of 2 years, 3 years, or of 5 years, or maybe of 4 years. You can see, because of the chinar trees, you can't see much snow here on the buildings or on the lawn area, but outside of the university there are less chinar trees, so you can enjoy fully. So this is the VC secretariat. I'm right now early in the morning to capture these beautiful snowy frames. Oh, so I'm the only one who is right now in the university. So yeah, I can tell you, it will be a worth. You can see the chinar trees. See, the cover as snow is melting, so it will stay only for hours, like up to 10, 11, because it is ending February, so the temperature has already got rise by 4-5 degrees centigrade. So these are the scenes. I took you around the central Green Campus of Central University of Kashmir, and I can tell you, get admission here. You can enjoy these snowy days and snowy frames. You can get a tour from this side as well. Oh, I guess some repair work is going on inside this building. That's why the benches are outside. But it's worth to visit campus. Okay. See you then. If you really want to get admission and you want to enjoy snow, come to Central University of Kashmir. Just fill the form CUET UG PG and you will get it. Or you can also get admission in PhD.